Hi friends, this is Barbara and I am back with another crockpot recipe. Okay, this one is going to be a veggie breakfast casserole, and we are going to start with our shredded potatoes. This is a 24-ounce bag. We're going to put half of it half of that in there and just spread it around. And then here I have a half an onion, and I have 3 florets of broccoli, just very little, 3 of the mushrooms, real mushrooms, and then here 1/4 of bell pepper, red bell pepper, and then a half of a celery stalk. And half of that will go in each one of them. Just take half and just spread it all in there. Then you want to take some cheese, any kind of cheese that you like with your breakfast casserole. And I'm just going to throw a handful right there. Not a lot, just a little. Then we're going to go in with the rest of that bag. I'm just going to do the same thing. And now I'm just going to throw the rest of those veggies in there. This is what I am serving for my Christmas breakfast casserole. And I wanted to really thank you for subscribing to my videos and staying with me, giving me those thumbs up. And that I really, truly appreciate yous. And I hope all of yous are going to have a happy holiday. So then we take our 12 eggs. Okay, now in the eggs, I put garlic powder, onion powder, and just a little bit of thyme, tiny bit, like just a splash. And then I put some little bit of salt and then pepper. We're just going to pour that right. Okay, hold on just a second. I am going to add just a little bit of heavy cream to what I have left in the bowl. Stir that up a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I almost forgot to add the cream. And then I just want to do this. And I'm going to be brave right now, friends. And I am going to just sprinkle just a little bit over this. It's going to be fine. Trust me on this one. It will be fine. I just want to work it in there. So all the videos that I make are completely unedited and they are live. It's real, okay? I'm a real person. I make mistakes. And then when you do, you got to try to fix it doing things like this. Okay. And then just pat that all down. We're going to want to throw another handful of cheese. You know, however much you like. I'm just going to do a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, perfect. And it is nighttime that I'm making this casserole. And I'm going to be cooking it for 8 hours on low. But if it's during the daytime, if it's morning for you and you're making it, you could go ahead and do it for 3 to 4 hours on high. Okay, I will be right back. Okay. That looks pretty good. Oh, it actually worked. By the way, this is the first time I have cooked a casserole overnight. I just want to get to the cut part. Let's see if I can put some more light on this. Oops, sorry about that. It's done. Okay, and now what I would do, what I'm going to do anyway, I'm going to add country gravy. You could do any gravy that you like, especially like the sausage gravy would be excellent with this. But I'm not done yet. Okay, there. Putting that gravy on there is going to make it taste better. I haven't tasted it yet. Maybe I should do that. I know it's crazy hot. I hate tasting crazy hot things because they always burn my mouth. This tastes really, really, really good. My family is definitely going to enjoy this. Okay, friends. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. I will leave a Amazon link in the description along with the ingredients to this. Okay, friends. Love you guys. Keep on cooking. Here you go. Well, I'm going back to bed. So thank you for coming down and getting a bowl. We're going to eat at 9. But this lets you go to Uncle Mike's earlier. I know he wants company.
Thanks.
Give me a kiss. Oh. Yeah. The little guy was stretching.
Why is it hot? Oh.
Because that back burner over there was on. I was making gravy.
Come here.